Imagine a system where fish swim below, plants thrive above, and every drop of water is used again and again. AwaKai makes this possible. It's a modular aquaponics system that unites food, science, and technology. One design, many futures for homes, classrooms, communities, and enterprises. Food costs are climbing. Fertilizers are polluting waterways. Droughts and floods make farming unpredictable. Classrooms too often teach science without real-world connection. The need is urgent. AwaKai uses less water, eliminates chemicals, and turns theory into living practice. It regenerates instead of depleting, while building resilience for families and communities. AwaKai is designed to grow with its users. Families harvest fresh vegetables and fish. Students learn science by doing. Researchers run controlled trials. Communities create local food hubs. Businesses scale sustainable farming or aquarium hatcheries. One design links all of these pathways, creating a shared ecosystem of knowledge and practice. Fish produce waste, bacteria convert it into nutrients, plants absorb the nutrients and clean the water. Gravity carries it down, a pump returns it to the top. Adjustable LED lighting supports growth year-round. Sensors ensure balance. This natural cycle, enhanced with technology, produces fresh food and reliable data side by side. Each unit starts simple: a frame, a tank, a grow bed. Families add extra grow beds or lights. Schools extend with sensors. Researchers integrate advanced tools. Businesses connect multiple systems for food production or fish breeding. Modularity makes AwaKai affordable, flexible, and scalable. From a backyard to a commercial hub, AwaKai connects to GrowHub, our online platform. Sensors track pH, oxygen, nutrients, and water levels. Families check system health. Teachers guide experiments. Researchers analyze data sets. Businesses monitor networks of units remotely. Data and knowledge flow seamlessly, creating one intelligent ecosystem that connects users across every level. With Nuibo, the science assistant robot, AwaKai comes alive. Nuibo can feed fish, adjust valves, press buttons, and gather data. For learners, it's robotics meeting ecology. For researchers, it's automation of routine tasks. For businesses, it ensures consistency and scale. Robotics and aquaponics together, technology serving sustainability. Picture a family harvesting lettuce for dinner. A classroom buzzing as students compare plant growth under different lights. A lab running nutrient trials with precision. A community growing food locally. A business producing salad greens or breeding ornamental fish. AwaKai delivers real impact everywhere, from home to enterprise. AwaKai embodies innovation that is both local and global. It addresses water scarcity, food security, and education for the future. It supports climate resilience, digital literacy, and sustainable enterprise. Whether in a family kitchen, a classroom, or a commercial farm, AwaKai proves that small systems can drive big change. The cycle has begun. Prototypes are already running. Next come pilots for families, schools, and researchers. Then community rollouts and scalable farms. AwaKai regenerates, educates, and innovates all at once. The future of food is here. The cycle is turning. The question is simple: will you join us?